We were freaked out. And so he goes, I'm going to go out there. And then we got in an argument. I'm like, no, you're not. You're not going out there. You're not leaving me in here. You go out there. And, you know, I'm thinking mountain lion. I don't know what I was thinking, you know. And he's like, we got in an argument. And I said, okay, all right, go. And so he's got that crappy little flashlight. And he goes out. And I'm like, oh, my gosh, oh, my gosh, oh, my gosh. Because it was just terrifying. I mean, we were terrified. I was terrified. So I'm sitting there, and he was gone longer than I thought he should have. But he did a walk all the way around with his little flashlight. He came back and said, there's nothing.